Hello everybody and welcome to Maverick's channel. Today we are unboxing and just taking a gander at this Phantom 4 Pro by DJI. I just bought this at Best Buy. It was a good amount and I'm going to just open it. This is actually the second time I'm taking it out of the box. I just want to go over some things and point a few things out that you might want to look for if you are deciding to purchase a DJI Phantom 4 or any DJI product. Here we go. First off, I like the packaging it came into. It's really simple, really easy to open and everything. And take a look at this beauty, guys. Let me just. Okay. All right. Phantom 4 case. Boom. This is inside. It's freaking pretty good, actually. It's a nice foam. It's I'm sure it would really actually soak up water if you left it, but I'm sure there's harder cases. To open it, you pull this, you twist it like a freaking key, which is cool, and then sucker opens up to show you, boom, that sucker. That's the drone and everything it comes in. This is a case. It's really nice. And it's actually really secure. Like once it's locked, like nothing's moving around in there. It's solid. You know what I mean? Take the drone out. I've already taken mine out. Comes with the remote control. Pretty cool right here. It's got the thing you can attach your phone onto either way you want it, vertical or sideways. And then also we got right here the cable to plug into. Oh yeah, also that cable plugs into this, which is used to charge it. Boom, boom. We got a little sleeve here, which holds your, boom, all your blades. Okay, comes with an extra set of blades. Each one's color coded. This is the gray one. It goes on to the uncolored sides. You can see some of the posts here have colors on them. You put the black one. I don't know why I'm reaching over here, but anyways, the black circled one goes on here. It's a simple press in and then twist, and then your sucker's on there, and you're rocking. You're cutting branches and stuff. You know what I mean? Because you'll hit something. I guarantee it. Okay, so got your drone, you got your gimbal on the bottom. Here's your gimbal lock. It's just for safekeeping. Here's your little dude. I wouldn't play with it that much. Probably not that good of an idea. Okay, click that bad boy back on. Now, you also got your cord here. These two, tiny one and a big one, USB, micro USB. Those are to plug your phone into the USB drive port on the back of the controller. And also, it'll come with all the instruction manuals for everything you want, your support, your services, your support services, whatever, DJI Care, all that fun stuff. Now, onto what the whole reason I actually wanted to make this opening and unboxing for you guys was right here. Boom, the battery. DJI's batteries are notorious. So, for having just issues with them. So take your battery out of the box when you get it. This is the battery that came inside my box with my drone. Okay, I press this button, nothing happens. This is a problem that DJI is sending out on some different models and stuff, and it sucks, and it just sucks, okay? Because each of these batteries is like $180, $190. Here's what they should look like when you press a button. See that? Green LEDs. If you press the button and no LEDs come on, your battery is defective, and you should take your drone back to where you got it before you fly it, and hopefully you can return it and get a new one and let that company that you bought it from sort out all the details with DJI on getting you a new one. Because for one, what happened to me, I unboxed this drone, found out that this battery was defective. So I can't fly my drone when I want to try flying it, right? So I figure out online that if it's defective, you have to send it in for repair. By doing so, you have to go to DJI's website, and there's no simple like, hey, this is where you send it to us, we'll send you a new one once we get it. They're trying to find every form of your identity, every proof of purchase you have to make sure you bought it from them. And they don't even have a service provided that you can go on and be like, because they need a form filled out that's a request order. So I sent them an email saying, hey, I have a defective battery and I want to return it and get a new one. They come back to me the next day saying, hey, this is DJI support. We reviewed your email and are going to talk to you shortly. I didn't get another email for 2 days. And then once they emailed me back, they said I needed to fill out a paper, fill out a form with every single like proof of purchase and all this different stuff I have to get. And it's just a hassle. And after filling out that, I still have to mail it in and wait the business days of the shipping. And it's just too much work that I don't want to deal with. So what I did was I went out and bought myself a new battery for $180, and it sucked because I had to pay the $180. That's money. So I recommend unbox your drone. First thing you do, take out your battery, make sure it's not defective. Because if it is, I would highly recommend you bring it right back to the store and get your money back for it. Go to a different store and buy one that when you open it, the battery actually works and shows up LEDs like that, so you can get out and fly your drone that day as opposed to waiting a week or 2 or maybe even 3 just to get a battery that works so you can fly your drone. Anyways, other than that, it flies awesome, and I highly recommend this DJI Phantom 4 Pro to anyone that wants to get a drone. Maverick, I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. That was my unboxing. Boom. Keep it freaking real.